Oh, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We were doing a little bit of welding on the Spitfire yesterday. We're going to get back at doing that, but sometime here I'd like to try to get back onto the hardtail triumph bobber. I think it's the points. I need to get another battery for it. Like I said in one video, I thought possibly it ran without it, but yeah. So let's get back to it. Hang around. Yesterday we got as far as getting this one patch in, which I am gonna have to cut some more out, like I was saying. Then we're going to start over here. We're going to try to keep at it. You guys got the gist of how I went about cutting out a flat patch. But I need to make an angle because this angle is up. So we'll go about showing you how I am going to go about that. I did get a better wire brush. Just what I had to run to town, so I needed a better brush. My chipping hammer, which is right here, it's an old girl. I mean, I still use the hammer, but every time you went to run the wire, this will get in the way. So, I mean, you could take this off and just use the brush by hand. So, but it's seen its better day. But, and what else I get? Oh, I picked up some wraparound safety goggles. I did drag out the old Black & Decker, so I don't have to drag over the Bauer grinder, so I can cut metal, which will save some time. But I think I got plenty of metal to do what I need to do in patching. So this is a weld. I was just testing, trying to see what settings I needed for the welder. It's ugly, but it is what it is. But hey, if you like this kind of stuff, why don't you subscribe and give it a like if you like this kind of stuff. Also, you'll see down below if you want to help out with just a little bit on the projects and all. You know, hey, I usually don't ask for donations, but there's a Patreon link down below, or give me a super thanks. Every little bit helps. Hey, I ain't afraid to say, beg for a little bit of here and there to help me out. If you like this kind of stuff, everything I do is coming out of pocket. All my past stuff, everything I buy, and all that. So that little bit helps me out. It kind of takes the edge off of new tools or consumables. Like I need another spool of flux core wire, and they're about 20-25 bucks. Every little bit helps. But back to the video. Well, I done gone drastic. Cut out a big old hole. I cut out that bad section because I really don't want multiple patches, which is what I kind of thought at first. But I got this as a pattern, so I know the shape I need to make. All it's going to be is bends. You're going to bend it, shape it, get it to the shape, get it oversized so I can size it to the hole, and just some bends. This here bend is going to be a little rougher to do, but it can be done. So I kind of won't put you through all that, but I mean, mean, I do have body hammers, anvils for different shapes, vise. So it might take a little time, but one less patch to cut. You know, cutting multiple patches, resizing it, welding it in. You know, it is what it is. Well, I cut out the piece of metal that we're needing. That is the top side, but it don't matter which way you form it. You know, you lay it out, but you don't want to size this your new piece, because if you're going to be doing any kind of forming, it's going to shrink. I'm hoping I left enough around that edge. That edge a little tight, but as you can see, I hacked out a section here. I still that's still left in the car, so if I got to trim out of the car, this will fit. So I left a little proud all the way around, hoping that will be enough, which probably, I don't know, be my luck, it won't. But this is under the seat, so I'm kind of thinking, because the edge, as you can see here, it's dished and it goes around the corner here. I don't need to do that. This is the edge. Let's see. That's the edge that goes up to the sill. So it could be welded right to the sill without an issue, because it comes upward. I can weld that right in. So no biggie there. I don't need to make this radius on this one. Just have it come straight across. Just like I said, fitment. Once you get all the bends in it, which won't be too tough, just a lot of measuring and bending, I'm hoping this will still fit in there. Even if I got to put in a little section here and there, no big deal. But that's where I'm at. I'm going to start transferring everything from one to the other where I need to make the bends at. I built the poor man's brake. That I used a 8-inch plate, a piece of steel, same here, squeezed it in between. This bend here I did on the vise, but then I realized I don't have depth in the vise to go any further. So grab a couple clamps and some metal and make yourself a brake. But that is starting to make that form, which is not very high. I think I got a little bit too much meat in there, so I may bend it back up, reposition it, and try again. But that's what we're going for. You know, I repositioned it, and it looks pretty good. It's not going to be perfect. Come on now, you know. I'm not a metal fab. I'm a truck driver. But let's pull that on out, and I'm going to work on the next drop. I'll have to flip this around somehow and get it to bend down and bend back up. Yeah, we're getting there. She's taking shape. Now I just got to do this one more time here, and then just really it's just a bend up and then flat. That's it. This takes two bends. You got your one bend here and your one bend up here. And then the same over here. Like I said, I'm not going for perfection. I'm not a custom car builder. I'm just patching holes. Yeah, I got her finished. What a pain. But hey, it don't look too damn bad. It's not the flattest. You can see there's a little bit of curves here and there. I can straighten all that out, and no big deal. But hey, we're getting there. I do need to make a little crease right here. It's not really that pronounced. But hey, it freaking better than buying a $100 and some freaking piece of panel. Who knows? I might have to build that front footwell panel myself, but we'll see. Maybe I'll scratch up enough scratch here and there to buy it. I just can't fathom 170 some bucks for a panel, which is maybe a foot wide, foot long. You know, come on. But yeah, now just a little bit of touch up on it, and we'll get her fitted. We're back at the car. She is proud, which is good. That's what I was worried about, is lengthwise, not this lengthwise, because of making the indents. So she is good and proud. Now it's just sizing it to get it to fit. What I am thinking, making a template from underneath, you know, hold a piece of cardboard or something, or a piece of thick stock paper, and just draw it out. But yeah, it's it's going to be a chore. This is what I came up with. All I did is slip the panel up underneath and got it kind of close and drew a line. But I put little marks to show I need to cut on that side of the lines, and I didn't put a line there because if you look down here, it is pretty bad. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut in this direction, and then I can fold this up to sit in there, probably cut it out, and then get it positioned, weld it in. But if I have to just lap it over, no big deal. But yeah, been a while since I've been on all this kind of crap. We are getting there. We got her kind of booger welded in, and I keep blowing it through at certain spots. So it's like right there I blew out. But I can always, maybe I need to get something smaller to make small cuts, you know. But yeah, slowly coming along. Yeah, and I'm calling it quits for today. It is Christmas Eve, Sunday. So, hey, I'm going to go spend some time with the family. I've been out here since this morning. It's a little bit after 1 in the afternoon. I've been out here about 4 hours or so. It's time to go get a shower and go spend Christmas with the loved ones. You all take care. Thank you for subscribing, and leave a comment. It's a good way for me to find your channel. But go check it out. Let me know what you think too. What's going on here? Give me a big thumbs up and not the finger. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.